Today, I'm going to show you how to make this great hands-on project. Once it's hung, they'll love watching for feathered friends. You need colored popsicle sticks, your glue gun, and glue sticks. Line up 12 popsicle sticks. Create a line of hot glue across the top and bottom. Now add a popsicle stick on both ends. Put a dot of hot glue at the corners of the sticks and place popsicle sticks on top. Follow this pattern to build the walls of your birdhouse. Put hot glue on 4 sticks and secure them to the front and back sides to create posts. Line up 2 sets of 12 popsicle sticks. Create a line of hot glue across the top and bottom of both and place popsicle sticks on each end. Add glue to the top of the post and place the roof on. To create a ledge, put hot glue on one of the openings on the front and place a popsicle stick through it. Take a piece of rope and feed it through the birdhouse and tie a knot at the top. Add a little bird seed inside the birdhouse and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.